Hey guys, it's Maureen and welcome back to the channel. We are going to be checking out the Apple Crossbody Strap, which has been released along with the Apple 17 series. Now, we've unboxed one of the silicone case, the neon yellow, which we have right here. We also unboxed the Sienna tech woven case. Both of the new silicone cases and the tech woven cases has two holes on each side bottom where you would be able to connect your crossbody strap. I will tell you at the end of this video why I chose Sienna. It's 59 bucks. Is it worth the price? Is it a good heavy duty material? Is the material last a long time for you if you're planning to get just one because they're very expensive? Would you be able to just pick one and match it with other cases that has capability to attach the Apple crossbody strap? If you are interested, just keep on watching. So here is the crossbody strap from Apple. The first ever crossbody strap that has been released by Apple. And I'm really excited. I'm just gonna show you how it looks like close up and the parts of this crossbody strap. So it says on the website that the crossbody strap is designed to attach to select Apple cases for a convenient and hands-free way to wear your iPhone. Beautifully crafted from 100% recycled PET yarns. The smooth, narrow woven straps, which is this area, drape comfortably across the body. Embedded flexible magnets with a stainless steel slides mechanism allow you to effortlessly adjust the length for the perfect fit while keeping both straps securely and neatly aligned. Let's find out what's PET. PET yarn or polyethylene terephthalate yarn. What a mouthful. Is a synthetic fiber made from recycled plastic bottles. Oh, my arm just popped. Yes. I love that companies recycle, especially Apple. That's a good news right there. So if you are considering a crossbody strap, which is recycled, check. It's a type of polyester that is durable, strong, and resistant to moisture and stains. This eco-friendly alternative is produced by melting down the collected plastic and spinning it into yarn, and it's used in everything from clothing to carpets. I love this already. Before I try this, I want to show you close up this right here. Yeah, both of these are magnets, so they just attach right away. So I still don't understand this one sliding mechanism here, but let me play around here. So this one is just one layer right here. And then if you want it super long, just keep adjusting it and slide it on the other side. So that's kind of long now. So the shorter it is, sliding mechanisms goes down You'll be able to adjust it on the other side, not on the first side. So you just pull that going down and then adjust the other side again. Only one that moves is the back side. Okay, and then when you go to the other side, the top will be the one who's gonna move. So this is the shortest. So if you are short like me, going to be just up to your waistline. But if you want it a little bit longer, you can just adjust it again like so, and then it will adjust on the bottoms. You just pull that one, and voila. I love that sound. So now it's a little bit long. When you adjust the stainless steel sliding mechanism to up to here, it is going to be shorter. But if you move it a little bit right here, it's longer. So this would be a little bit down to my waistline. So I kind of like it this way. And showing you again the material. I've noticed that the inside of the strap is darker than the outside. This is the area where you're gonna connect to the strings that goes to the case. Any questions, by the way, just comment down below. The maximum strap length is 81.9 inches and the minimum strap length, which is my size, is 42.5 inches. The material is so heavy duty. Remember when I told you guys about what PET yarn is? It is durable, strong, and resistant to moisture and stains. And I went to the Upper Peninsula with this. It was raining that day, and look at it's still looking great. Connecting it, this is the fun part. It's annoying too because you have a steady hand. Glasses, if you don't have any glasses, you won't be able to put the really small thin, like this little, it looks cheap but it's heavy duty. Again, I have my neon yellow right here. What we need to do, this little part right here goes through this hole and then it goes inside. You're gonna connect it again on the second hole. It's kind of nice because it's like really stiff string right here. There you go, that's a word, string. And then you're gonna loop it with that part and then pull. Same thing with the other side. So now that we have our strings connected, we are gonna connect our strap to the string. So this string is part of this strap. So when you unboxed it, this is included. It was really thin and small. If you can't see, use your glasses so you'll be able to see this. And it's kind of like really light colored too and silver. So you might not be able to see it properly packed in the box. We have this strap and we know the parts of this strap. Start connecting this part to our string and snap the other side and snap. That's how it looks like. So it looks kind of like flimsy, but not really. This is really heavy duty, I feel like. So I don't think it's gonna come off. The question is, would this hold this little tiny part right here of the silicone? Would this be enough to hold the phone? The phone is not as heavy, so it'll be fine. Now we are gonna connect our Cosmic Orange on our silicone case, neon yellow with the Sienna strap. There's the animation. I gotta change my wallpaper because Thanksgiving is gonna be here soon. That would be in a separate video. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, so we have this right here now. I'm gonna try this. See how short this is. This is what it looks like right here. With it being so short, I feel like we have to adjust it. It's so annoying when you're taking a video. Okay, now it's a little bit long. It's still kind of weird when you're taking a video right here. I think putting it right here on the neck makes it easier and more comfortable than doing it with like this. Definitely personal preference how you want to use this, like a messenger bag like this. I kind of like it when the screen facing my body so that, you know, nobody will be able to look at if I have like a text or anything like that. And it actually shows the color of my phone. When you're traveling, be very careful with pickpocketers, so you could be a first target if you're like just hanging it in your body and kidnap you because you have an expensive phone with you. Take note of that. If you're around your area and you feel like it's safe, then go for it. Like I said, I used this in the Upper Peninsula when we went camping, and it was really awesome walking around, checking out some falls. So it was really easy to just grab my phone and take a video and pictures of anything that I see. I don't think I would use this in social events. Reunions, that would be nice too. So if you're into fashion, this is also a additional part of, you know, of your get up, of your OOTD. Love the Sienna so much because it can match with any other colors because it's brown. I didn't really have problems with being tangled with other items. This is 59 bucks. Opting to a cheaper version, there's a lot out there on Amazon that you could get. 59 bucks is a good price. This material right here is recycled bottles. Pay more on this recycled ones just so we can help the environment. Using those plastic bottles to make a strap like this is worth it. Definitely worth it. Who is it for? This is for me. For people who likes hands-free, who likes to grab and go, people who does not like to hold anything, wants to have this two hands free, going shopping, getting groceries or anything like that. Especially with people that lose your phone a lot, this is definitely a good one to have, a good investment. Guess what? It'll protect you from losing your phone. If you're also an Apple addict, this is perfect. Silicone right here in the bottom. We'll see how it handles. I wouldn't buy all of it though, all of those colors. Just one color is enough. This color definitely would match all of the color cases out there. So what are your preferred methods of carrying your phone? Do you have the one that is just like a wristlet, or do you have a crossbody strap? If you got this strap, what color did you get? Are you liking it? Because I am liking mine. Hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next video.